Mantas Leknius. I would describe myself as the head of the VMG Technics Group because our organization consists of 3 companies, VMG Technics, where we are located today, and 2 service companies, VMG Service Klaipėda and VMG Service Akmenė. We currently bring together more than 400 engineers. In 2005, when we started our operations, we were choosing between several potential brands, and at that time, we chose SOLIDWORKS. Currently, about 30 employees in the VMG Technics Group use SOLIDWORKS directly as their main daily work tool. For this reason, flexible conditions and network licenses were necessary.
Usually, our project duration now ranges from 6 months to 1 year, and the design phase makes up the majority of the total project time.
Our goal was to offer solutions that would not only automate individual processes, but also ensure a seamless flow of information between all company departments. Therefore, at VMG Techniques, we are implementing an integrated SOLIDWORKS ecosystem from design to manufacturing.
With the help of INRI, we have implemented many SOLIDWORKS solutions in our manufacturing process. We use SOLIDWORKS Design for creating 3D models for client presentations and for the production phase. For complex engineering models, we use SOLIDWORKS Simulation to perform calculations, simulations, and testing. To simplify collaboration between technologists and engineers, we use SOLIDWORKS CAMWorks. We transfer information from the engineers to the technologists who process the data in the CAMWorks system and send it to the turning and milling machining centers. To manage the engineering process, the manufacturing process, and all processes used in production, we use SOLIDWORKS PDM for revisions, document changes, working drawings, and models.
By collaborating with INRI, we strive to optimize and improve our SOLIDWORKS software usage, specifically at this stage of the process, in order to shorten the overall project duration.
400 people, 400 engineers, but the entire group comprises 2,500 people. What does that mean? It means that we need to have flexible tools and know how to share those tools not only in Lithuania, but perhaps in Poland and other companies within our organization as well. This tool handles that perfectly.